Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 LTZ. This one has the 6.6 liter V8 Duramax. Awesome motor, mated to the 10-speed Allison transmission. This one's a used example, 8,700 miles on it. Total price when new of $67,585. Finish here, I think this is Summit White. Yeah, Summit White over Jet Black. Now, this is an awesome truck. How do you do the thing? Oh, like that. You just literally force it. But there's a little secret mode. As long as you're in park with the parking brake on, push down on set. And you have fast idle. Oh, actually, that's pretty warm. Actually, I shouldn't be breathing that in. I'm stupid. So that's designed as your power takeoff. Thing looks awesome. Nice. All right. Turn on downhill descent. Just gonna ride the brake until it dips. There we go. Now the truck is braking. So, Duramax, king of torque. Well, all diesels are king of torque. But the amount of torque is just mesmerizing. It's somewhere close to 1,000 pound-feet in the most capable trim. Pretty insane. I have the exhaust brake on. Oh, no, I had it off. Okay. Oh. Now, I just drove the Ford F-250 Super Duty, the 21. Instantly, the steering was a lot lighter. That's a bonus for a lot of people. Some people it might be a negative, but you're the minority, so you're not the majority of the opinion. A lot of people want lighter power steering in these trucks because if you're going to be working all day, moving the steering around shouldn't be a concern. right. Not bad over the bumps, honestly. All right, let's see here. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.